Whoa, good evening everyone. It's all go here, working on the daily and working on this whenever I can. And this came in today. Yeah, it's another package. It's about what we talked about in a previous video. But I haven't opened it yet. It's alright. It's what if I can, oops, wrong camera. Stay. No, not going to stay on there. Not going to stay on there. How's that? We've got some bits and pieces here. Those magnet phone cases do tend to help a lot. A knife. A knife. My kingdom for a knife. We've got fittings. And what do you guys think I've got here? What does it look like? An oil filter relocation kit. Yay! That looks like a CNC machine actually. Whew. Pretty fancy looking for the price. I'm only buying cheap stuff. Oh, clamp. Ah, here it is. What's the one? So, this is the one for the engine, right? Yeah. What? So, remember talking about a motor plate, and then how with a motor plate this would be in the way. Huh? Okay. Funny. Is there an adapter? No other. Oh, hang on, there's something in here. There we go. That's probably it. Let's see. But then, no, let's put it on and see what happens. Because I'm worried about that. Well, that might be alright. No, it still doesn't fit. So that's too big. Because that's that size. Confused now. It's a mounting plate. Decent looking hoses. Neaten them. I'd love to see that, said the blind man. Okay. So these are different, are they? Let me see if I can work it out and then I'll talk to you again. Okay, sorted. I just had to change that middle bit over. They're so close to the same. Just a little bit of it. So alright, so some still sticks out, but I'll have to make a much smaller hole. But there's not just that. I may have to buy some, excuse the camera, instead of these. I wonder what size that is. Is that -10? Because that's the size of the fuel line I need, -10. Excuse the filming, guys. See if I can get an elbow one to go off that way, but same. I'll have to make a hole for the for the plate anyway for this, so I can kind of make a hole shape like that. It won't be a big hole. Pity I need to make a hole at all, but it's definitely sticking past a fair bit. I'll probably need to get a bit of cardboard or something and then make a template. I mean, I can get an elbow, I probably have one laying around, an elbow fitting for that, so this plug sticks out that way. And I can probably find, see there's another connection there, I can probably screw it in there and put this worm drive in there, this worm screw into here. So that's not a problem. I'll probably do that. Probably put this and screw it into there, because I'm going to cut some of this subframe anyway. I'm gonna cut the corner off and plate it and strengthen it. So at the moment it's 3 hoses. I don't know why there's 3. That's a long reload. Ooh, hang on a second. This is quite the relocation hose. It'd have to be over a meter. So see this elbow, yes, may as well have a filter on there. So I'm going to see if I can get this with an elbow on it, right? Instant elbow, so that this sticks out that way. And that way I don't have all this here. That would be the way to go. It's better to have a relocation anyway, I think. Yeah, so but where would I put it? Is there much room under here? I guess there probably is. Oh, hang on, the wheel turns there and it rubs there. No, probably not. Probably not. Unless the window washer wasn't there, you could put the oil filter there. That would be pretty cool. But then where would I put the window washer? And it's probably yeah, too messy to bring the line across to this side. Right, and put the filter there, which would be neat. I also thought of just having it just mounted here, but are these, yeah, they're screw fittings. You can shorten these if you want to. That's good. They just screw on. They work pretty well. I can shorten those. So yeah, just thought I'd show you what came in today for the project. I just wish that these had elbow. So you can put oil pressure gauge on here, I guess. That's what there would be for. That's the pressure going to the filter before the filter. Pressure before filter. Pre-filter pressure. And I thought maybe this one, but it wouldn't make much difference, I don't believe, in clearance wise. Height wise, it's approximately the same. I was just thinking maybe you can put this one there, but not worth messing about trying to swap them. So keep that for there, like that. Okay, I just thought I'd show you about the an oil filter relocation kit. Anyway, if you want to see that me set that up, then please subscribe and follow the channel, and you see me doing all sorts of cool stuff like that, and not so cool stuff, but hey, it's all about repairing cars and upgrading cars. So if you like that, hopefully you like my channel, and I hope you like my personality, even though not many people do, but I hope you do. Anyway, don't forget to like, subscribe, and God bless. Bye bye.